The return to profitability is the key issue currently for many of the solar companies. Over the last 6 quarters, we are seeing negative results for many. So the question is, how and when can companies return to profitability? Our response is that we are seeing currently the supply-demand situation coming to the bottom. We have overcapacities, but we are seeing that capacities are not built out in the way that demand is increasing. So it'll take a little bit more time. So we'll probably at the end of winter, spring will come, but it will take probably 1 to 2 more quarters before we are seeing improvements in the margins. So demand in terms of installations is coming. We have seen last year 31 gigawatt of installations. We expect 35 this year. Demand is coming from key markets like Japan, China, and also US. Overall, it's also a trend that new countries are opening up, emerging markets. However, the volumes to be used in these markets are still in the 100 megawatts, not in the gigawatts. We just have heard that also the UK market is going forward quite fast from David Owen. So we confirm this. However, there's the anti-dumping issue pending. And we made IRR calculations for Germany. And we are seeing that the large-scale ground-mounted and rooftop projects without self-consumption will be affected. And we'll probably have the same situation in the UK. So the UK market also has a question mark. Still, all what we are discussing on anti-dumping is a preliminary discussion because the decisions are still pending. What we heard on May 8th from the EU commissioners is the recommendation to impose tariffs on Chinese modules. This is a burden for many suppliers, especially for tier 2 and 3. We expect, they are offering the lower price modules, and these prices will go up, and some of the business cases won't work. If you add an average 47% increase on a 50 euro cents module, you end up at 70 plus euro cents, and this is not acceptable for ground-mounted systems anymore in Germany and many other markets. So we have to be below 60 euro cents for the module, otherwise the ground-mounted segments won't work. Keep in mind, if you're able to sell a module at 60 euro cents, where can you produce outside of China being able to produce or make a margin at 60 euro cents? And there are ways on that.